Dollar Yen Daily Forecast June 20th, FXEmpire.com. The dollar yen pair fell slightly on very little motion one way or the other during the Tuesday session. The pair is currently in what we would consider no man's land, as we are between two major areas, one of support, one of resistance. The Bank of Japan has been heavily involved in this pair from time to time, and as a result, selling this pair is going to be very difficult. While 78 is support, it's more importantly an area where the Bank of Japan gets a little bit more aggressive about dealing with this pair, trying to sell off the yen. The Federal Reserve will be a major indicator to watch for this pair as a result. With the Federal Reserve's announcement after the two-day meeting later this afternoon in New York, this could be a market-moving day. If we can get above the 80, and then more specifically the 80-50 level, which is the very highs of this resistance band, this pair could go much, much higher. And what would cause that? Well, a lack of easing or any even signal of easing would appreciate the value of the dollar. And in a situation like this, where you've got the Bank of Japan who's already getting involved in easing with the yen and even intervening in the market, if you take the Fed out of the equation, which is going to be very difficult to do 100%, but if you take the Fed out of the equation for the most part, this pair should get a nice boost. Again, we won't sell just simply because even if the Fed gets involved, then the Fed will overpower the Bank of Japan. Occasionally, the Japanese will intervene, and the last thing you want to do is be on the wrong side of a 250 pip spike.